If you want to set your favorite song as a ringtone on your Android phone, so here is a ways to do it, and watch it till the end because in the end I'll show you where to get your favorite music for free. First of all, make sure that you have your song on your phone. There are some websites where you can get that, but I will talk about that a little bit later. So we have our MP3 file. What do we do now? We are to open up our settings. We're to locate our sounds and vibration tab. After that, locate your ringtone. And now press plus at the top right corner. Locate the desired song. Right, and now you are to press done. So here you will see a custom tab appear, and here make sure to choose the desired song, and that's it. Now you have your song set. So here is a little tip where can you get some free ringtones and free songs. There are a couple websites such as Zedge Ringtones. Some regions even have their application in the Google Play Market, but not all of them. And the second one is Pixabay. Here you can find some royalty-free or some almost free music. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.